Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this closure wig. And yeah, so I wanted to try out something different, and I decided to bleach this hair and color it, and I added some pink highlights and some blonde highlights, and overall it didn't really come out as what I planned, but then the results were not bad. I really liked it at the end of the day. Yeah, so this hair is from Chic Crown Hair. This is a new hair company, and they are so bomb, or rather their hair is so bomb. This hair is soft. Like, I bleached this hair about, I'll say, 3 times, and it was still soft even after all the chemical processing and all of that. I will have to give that to this hair. It really held up well. I was even scared at a point that I was going to damage this hair, but then this hair held up so well. And I used 3.5 bundles and a closure. I'm going to leave all the details of this hair in the description bar below. And just so you guys know, Aliexpress is raising all their prices. Like, all the prices are going up. So if you place an order for hair or whatever before the 30th, you're going to get it at the normal price. But then if you place an order after the 30th, the prices are going to go up. So I would advise everyone to place an order before the 30th, because all the prices are going up. So that's just something I thought I should drop there. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me install this hair. I used glue just because I wanted some extra security, because the band wasn't really tight and I was going to be wearing this hair for the whole day, so I wasn't trying to get my wig snatched or anything. So I just wanted some extra security. I'm going to leave all the links and details to this hair in the description bar below. I would advise you guys to check it out. Their hair is really bomb. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bust a wine. It's Gator on your word. My quizzy there, so ya know, ya know. Killer wine. Bust a wine. Killer wine.
Damn bro,
Bust a wine. I no go for your hand, oh Shade. Try understand, oh Shade. Say my love is for real, Sister Maria. Make her be your plug and your lover. I no go for your hand, oh Shade. Try understand, oh Shade. Say my love is for real, Sister Maria. Make her be your plug and your lover. How about the dope? Because give me love. Everything I do am for you. If my schedule too tight, I go lose am for you. Now why I think I do you? How about the dope? Because give me love. Everything I do am for you. If my maga no pay, I go borrow for you. Now why I think I do you? Ademaya, oh. I need this your love in abundance. This my love in pure, no be one chance. Can I feel your vibe all night? Ademaya, oh. I need this your love in abundance. This my love in pure, no be one chance. Can I feel your vibe all night? How about the dope? Because give me love. Everything I do am for you. If my schedule too tight, I go lose am for you. Now why I think I do you? How about the dope? Because give me love. Everything I do am for you. If my maga no pay, I go borrow for you.
Say pretty girl, say it be you where I want show all my love. Say pretty girl, say it be you where they give me all night long. Anything she want, anything what you need. Put it on the card, money if you need. Niggas on the chart, I said boys on the charts. Ain't no time for sleep, never sleep. Put us on the map, we no ever quit.
How body dope, Biko give me love. Everything I do am for you. If my schedule too tight, I go lose am for you. Now why I keep do you? How body dope,